In the fast-moving world of mirrorless innovation, no brand keeps photographers guessing quite like Sony. Just when you think they've hit the ceiling of full-frame performance, another round of rumors shakes the industry. The Sony A7 VIII, the much-anticipated successor to the A7 IV, is shaping up to be exactly that kind of disruptor. According to multiple early reports and credible leaks, Sony is preparing a camera that blurs the line between hybrid and cinema performance, pushing the A series into uncharted territory. While official details remain under wraps, what we're hearing paints a picture of a true next-generation powerhouse, one that could redefine what all-rounder means in 2025. So grab a coffee, because in this deep dive, we'll unpack everything we know so far: the rumored design updates, sensor breakthroughs, color science refinements, autofocus intelligence, video potential, and even the whispers about its network and streaming capabilities. If leaked prototypes and insider photos are accurate, the Sony A7 VIII looks set to continue Sony's evolution rather than revolution, but with refinement in every corner of the body. The familiar A7 silhouette remains, but the contours appear subtly deeper and more balanced, with a grip inspired by the A9 III for superior handling, especially when using heavy G-Master lenses. A new magnesium alloy chassis reportedly improves rigidity and reduces weight while enhancing thermal management. Reinforced mounts, sealed seams, and internal heat dissipation channels suggest Sony's most rugged A7 yet, ready for professionals who demand reliability in harsh conditions. Weather sealing is rumored to rival the flagship A1, complete with protective gaskets on all ports, buttons, and dials. Perhaps most exciting, Sony is said to be integrating a miniature version of the heat pipe cooling system from its FX series cinema cameras, which could finally eliminate the thermal limits during long 4K or even 8K recording sessions. Control ergonomics has also received attention. Leaks hint at a redesigned AF on button with deeper travel, tactile top dials for more confident feedback, and a customizable touch menu interface on the rear LCD for quicker access to key settings. The electronic viewfinder may leap to an astonishing 9.44 million dot OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate, delivering one of the clearest, most responsive viewing experiences in the mirrorless world. Meanwhile, the fully articulating screen is expected to offer higher brightness and improved outdoor visibility. In essence, Sony isn't reinventing the A7's formula, it's perfecting it. The A7 VIII promises a body that merges pro-grade toughness, improved thermals, and intuitive hybrid controls, bridging the gap between the cinema-centric FX line and the still-focused Alpha heritage. Here's where the excitement truly begins for Sony's upcoming full-frame powerhouse, the A7 and VIII. According to multiple credible industry insiders, Sony is preparing to unveil a completely re-engineered 40-45 megapixel back-illuminated Exmor R2 sensor, potentially even stacked for lightning-fast performance. This new sensor, when paired with the rumored next-generation BIONZ XR2 image processor, could mark one of the most significant leaps in the A7 lineup's history. The improvements are expected to bring faster readout speeds, higher dynamic range, and noticeably richer color depth, all while maintaining Sony's hallmark low-light excellence. The native ISO range is said to begin at 100 and stretch up to 102,400, with an expanded range exceeding 200,800, offering unmatched flexibility for both stills and video shooters. Perhaps the most intriguing upgrade is the possibility of true 14-bit compressed RAW bursts, promising exceptional tonal fidelity during high-speed continuous shooting, a feature that could push the A7 VIII into flagship-level performance territory. Early prototype testing from select sources hints at over 15 stops of dynamic range, rivaling even the mighty Sony A1, but at a much more accessible price. Additionally, Sony's Pixel Shift multi-shooting mode may now capture 240 megapixel composite images, offering unparalleled resolution for studio or archival work. Meanwhile, the in-body 5-axis image stabilization system could be enhanced to deliver an impressive 8 stops of compensation, ensuring rock-solid handheld shots even in challenging conditions. If these specs prove accurate, the Sony A7 VIII may become one of the most versatile and capable hybrid mirrorless cameras ever built, equally at home in landscape, portrait, commercial, or action photography, and potentially redefining what creators can expect from Sony's core Alpha line. One of the most consistent and intriguing rumors surrounding the upcoming Sony A7 VIII centers on the debut of an evolved Cinematic Tone Profile 3, reportedly inspired by the flagship Sony Venice 2 cinema camera. This new color profile is expected to deliver a distinctly filmic aesthetic, offering a softer highlight roll-off, gentler contrast curves, and an overall warmer, more organic tone straight out of the camera, reducing the need for heavy post-grading or LUTs. Alongside this, Sony is rumored to be refining its well-regarded S-Cinetone and expanding the creative looks library with greater flexibility in mid-tone depth, hue manipulation, and fine color balance. These enhancements would mark a major step forward from previous alpha generations, pushing the color science closer to the revered cinematic standards of the FX series. Another fascinating leak suggests Sony will introduce a dual-sensor white balance system, one sensor analyzing ambient color temperature and another capturing spectral characteristics of the light itself. This approach could dramatically improve color accuracy in complex lighting conditions, such as mixed indoor environments or neon-lit streets. Together, these advancements indicate a clear intention from Sony to make the A7 VIII the most color-consistent hybrid camera in its lineup, capable of delivering cinematic video, accurate skin tones, and richly detailed stills in any lighting scenario. If these color and tonal refinements materialize, the A7 VIII won't just bridge the gap between Sony's Alpha and FX cinema lines, it may finally redefine what a full-frame hybrid camera can achieve in both professional filmmaking and high-end photography. Perhaps the most confident rumor surrounding the upcoming Sony A7 VIII centers on its autofocus system, a leap that could redefine Sony's mirrorless dominance. The camera is expected to inherit Sony's advanced AI-driven real-time recognition 2.0 system, first seen in the flagship A9 III, bringing next-generation intelligence to subject tracking. This upgraded AF engine will reportedly recognize people, animals, birds, insects, vehicles, and even subjects wearing helmets or sunglasses with unprecedented precision. Operating through a dedicated autofocus processor that works independently from the main image engine, the A7 VIII should deliver lightning-fast, near-instantaneous focus acquisition and rock-solid subject tracking in virtually any scenario. Continuous shooting performance is rumored to reach 15 FPS with the mechanical shutter and up to 30 FPS electronically, all with blackout-free shooting for seamless real-time feedback. The buffer could handle around 200 RAW frames at full resolution, making it a reliable tool for professional sports and wildlife shooters. Sony is also said to be refining its user interface, introducing cleaner menus, improved touch response, and fully customizable function banks for a more fluid shooting experience. Power management won't be overlooked either. The NP-FZ100 battery is rumored to be re-engineered for higher energy density, offering around 800 shots per charge, with USB-C PD fast charging and continuous power delivery via external packs. Altogether, the Sony A7 VIII is shaping up to be not just faster, but smarter and more efficient. A camera engineered to handle demanding workflows while delivering the kind of real-world reliability that photographers and filmmakers have been asking for. Now for the headline grabber, video. The Sony A7 VIII looks set to redefine hybrid shooting with some jaw-dropping rumored specs. Leaked sheets point to full-sensor 8K 30p recording with minimal rolling shutter and oversampled 4K 120p capture in 10-bit 4.2.2, all internal. Sony may also debut a new, dual-gain HDR video mode, simultaneously capturing 2 exposure streams to retain exceptional highlight and shadow detail, potentially rivaling ARRI's dynamic range. A new S-Log4 gamma curve is rumored to provide over 15+ stops of latitude, alongside internal LOT previews, customizable zebra patterns, and enhanced waveform monitoring for precise exposure control. On the stabilization front, a next-gen hybrid IBIS system could merge sensor-based stabilization with gyro data for flawless post-stabilization using Catalyst Browse. Connectivity upgrades might push the A7 VIII further ahead, featuring built-in 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6E, wired gigabit LAN over USB-C, and native UVC UAC streaming modes. That means users could directly livestream or record broadcast quality 4K 60 HDR video straight to a laptop, smartphone, or local network. No external capture card required. Combined with Sony's consistent color science, advanced autofocus with subject recognition, and potentially unlimited recording times, the A7 VIII seems designed not just for filmmakers, but for live creators, studio professionals, and on-set DIT workflows. It's shaping up to be a camera that erases the line between mirrorless and cinema systems, one that could make even the FX3 II feel cautious about its spot in the spotlight. While none of these specs are officially confirmed, the direction they point to is unmistakable. Sony appears ready to turn the A7 line from a dependable all-rounder into a flagship-grade hybrid that rivals the A1's performance while keeping the A7 series' approachable form and price. If even half of these rumors materialize, the stacked 40-megapixel sensor, AI-boosted autofocus, 8K recording, improved color science, and advanced LAN streaming, the Sony A7 VIII could easily become the most balanced full-frame camera of 2025. Until Sony makes it official, we can only speculate. But one thing's for certain. If these leaks are true, the A7 VIII won't just be another upgrade. It'll be a statement.